Most people get this wrong. They think any credit builder account will instantly fix their credit, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is expecting fast results without understanding how these systems actually work. In this video, we are breaking down Credit Strong in 2026 and answering the real question. Is it actually worth it for building or rebuilding credit? Let's start with what Credit Strong actually is. Credit Strong is a credit builder product offered by Austin Capital Bank. It is designed to help you build credit by opening a type of installment account that reports to the major credit bureaus. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike a credit card, you are not spending borrowed money. Instead, you make monthly payments into a credit building account, and those payments are reported to help establish your credit history. So let's break this down, step by step. First, how it helps your credit. Credit Strong reports payment history to the credit bureaus, which is one of the most important factors in your credit score. For someone like Alex who has no credit history, this can help create a foundation from scratch. But here's the problem most beginners don't realize. It is not an instant fix. Credit building takes time, usually several months of consistent payments before you see meaningful changes. Now let's talk about account types. Credit Strong offers different plans with different monthly payment levels. Higher plans often show larger credit lines being reported, but they also require higher monthly commitments. So you need to choose carefully based on your budget. Now let's talk about real impact. In a minute, I'll show you who actually benefits the most from Credit Strong and who should avoid it completely. For someone like Jake who has damaged credit or no credit at all, Credit Strong can be useful because it adds positive payment history and installment credit to the profile. But if you already have strong credit cards and active accounts, the benefit may be smaller compared to other credit strategies. Now let's talk about cost versus value. Credit Strong is not free. You are essentially paying into your own savings-like account while building credit history. That means you need to be consistent and patient to see real value. Now, the big question. Is it worth it in 2026? Yes, but only in specific situations. If you are starting from zero credit or rebuilding after financial setbacks, it can be a structured and safe way to build credit history. But it is not a magic solution and should not be your only credit tool. Let's summarize everything clearly. Credit Strong helps build installment credit history. It reports to major bureaus, and it works best for beginners or credit rebuilders. However, it requires time, discipline, and monthly payments to actually see results. If this helped you understand whether Credit Strong is worth it in 2026, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.